Hey team, welcome to the house. Inside. This is the doorway. Unfortunately, we're taking the doorway apart. I might have broken one of the doors. They're pretty rotten. We're going to try and keep them. The frame itself is rotten. We're going to keep the inserts and try to redo the door frame in the same way. Here it is. This old meter, it's pretty crappy and actually needs replacing, so we don't have power at the moment, hence we don't have any light.
I'll just wait here when you do your video, right?
Oh,
Yeah,
and here's where the real work has happened, so someone's actually doing some work. And then we got the tiles, the floor tiles, which look freaking amazing, and they look stunning when they actually finally come together. If you look into the detail, so there's the big flagstones, which was it 15th century? Flagstones, I can't remember. And then all the fine detail they've done around drawing the leaf around the top of the building. Through to the cupboard, the cupboard space through here, which I don't know what it's for, but it's got more tiles on the bottom of the floor, and then into the first bedroom, which you won't see a lot of because there's no light, so we can't show you any light, so we can't show you much of the building. So this is bedroom number one, and once we open that up and put a new window in there, look, a whole lot fresher. Anyway, good to see you. See you soon.
From the front door, beautiful tiles here. We've got such a cool part of the house, I reckon, the stairs. Nice big concrete stairs. You're right. Just such a feature of the house. This nest at the top looking out the window. And they go round, so this is the second floor, and then just the exact same staircase up to clean this out, full of broken wine bottles. But just such a cool set of stairs at the front of the house. And then this is the third floor. Haven't really touched anything on the third floor yet. Just some cool features, you know, like we'll have to replace that, but how cool. Lots of work to do on the third floor. This will be the master bedroom, so the roof has actually been redone in here. Got a cool skylight, bloody good size. It's going to be a big room, so that will be amazing. We've got to put windows in down that end, so that will break through to a view of the garden. And there's another bedroom up here on the third floor. Again, heaps of work to be done in here. We've got to have that crack repaired. Someone's coming in to do that shortly. We're going to move all of these tiles down outside to the garden somewhere. Chimney runs through there, the fireplace. Yeah, cool. I think this roof will be replaced soon too, when the crack gets done. Cute little window. Actually, we're going to make that window a bit bigger. Heaps to do, but so much potential. And that's the third floor. That's the view back there. I think this was the sausage cupboard. So they used to make salami sausages. Hang them in the cupboard. Might be a bit dark to see properly in there, but there's just a big pole where you hang up your sausage. Some cool bits that we'll be able to preserve and keep. Right, so this is going to be a bedroom. In a bit of a state at the moment. We've got a crack running down the front of the building there. Someone's coming next week to fix that, which will be awesome. And then obviously all of this needs to be redone. Nice fireplace, not sure what we're doing with that. But I think it's a good sized room. Should work. Yeah. Right, this is what we've called the blue room. Probably in the best condition in terms of any of the rooms in the house. There's Rob who's putting together. We've managed to score this bed. What was it? €60.
60 euros.
And it's beautiful.
Look at this.
Ornate. Yeah, look at the I mean, just so cool.
Look at this.
So he's just popping that together. We're hoping that we can get in here
Next couple of weeks.
Next couple of weeks. This will be our sleeping room. Still very dusty. We've got lots more to clean. I was sweeping in here for hours. and the dust just appears and appears and appears. Yeah, that bed's gonna look amazing. Tiles, like favourite tiles of the house. Amazing how they come up. They still need a good scrub, but they were dust covered when we started, and now the colours in it are just so vibrant. And then there's a little walk through. Don't know. I guess it was, I don't know, a walk-in wardrobe, another room. You might not be able to see very well with the light. It'd be a cool walk-in wardrobe. We might need to put a bathroom in through here. This goes into another room back here, but just another cool space onto the bathroom. Cool tiles on the floor. Some random flagstones in there as well. So yeah, still a bit to do, but this room's probably coming together the best. Wallpaper.
Good morning, here we are on site again. It's a beautiful, stunning day here in Feline. We've got a new generator because we haven't got power. So now we're going to have power. And Alan's putting it together. And
So we still won't have power.
so we're hopefully we do. Because we're going to rip into this wall and hopefully have take some of that down. This is a bit of timber we're using to temporarily replace the front door while we fix the old one. So that's kind of good. You can see right up there that the rods are in place. So putting rods in place to hold the building together to make it last another 300 years. And yeah, got to crack on. So see you soon.